This is capital letter C and this is small letter C, right? Now see, this is cat, right? The word starts with C, isn't it? See, C-A-T, cat, right? C-A-T, cat. Next word is here, car, C-A-R, car, right? The next one is carrot, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, okay? Carrot, right? Next one is here, cabbage, right? This is cabbage, green cabbage, right? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage, isn't it? And here in the next one is cactus, cactus, right? C-A-C, T-U-S, cactus, cactus, right? And next one is here, yes, what is this? Yes, this is caterpillar, right? This is caterpillar, isn't it? C-A-T-E-R, cater, P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar, caterpillar, right? Here is the next one is crab. What is this? Yes, this is crab, right? C-R-A-B-E, C-R-A-B-E, crab, right? Next one is corn. The little boy, the little baby eating corn, right? C-O-R-N, corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Next one is here, cake. Do you love cake? Okay, C-A-K-E, C-A-K-E, cake, right? And the next one is coat, right? See, the man putting on, right, his coat, right? C-O-A-T, coat, okay? Now here, next one is, this is cow, C-O-W, cow, right? And here it is, camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel, right? And the next one is, here it is, yes, cup, C-U-P, cup, C-U-P, cup, right? Next one is here, it is, yes, camera, right? C-A-M-E-R-A, camera, right? Now here, over, that's finished, right? So how many words you have learned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 words, right? We have learned 14 words start with or begin with C, right? Try once again, okay? Cat, car, carrot, cabbage, cactus, caterpillar, crab, corn, cake, goat, cow, camel, cup, camera, over, right? Now raise your hand and tell me. I will show the pictures one by one. You have to tell me, you have to identify what is this, okay? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, just a moment, I'm picking your call, okay? Yes, from here. Yes. Just tell me, what is this?
Cat,
Yes, okay, good. This one?
car,
Car,
camel,
carrot. What is
carrot,
this? Carrot, okay. Yes, okay. Cabbage.
cabbage,
Yes, cabbage.
cactus,
Cactus.
caterpillar,
Caterpillar, good.
crab,
Crab, very good.
grape,
What is this?
grape,
C-O-R-N. C-O-R-N. Corn.
prawn,
Corn. Yes. What about it?
cake,
Cake.
goat,
Goat.
cow,
Cow.
camel,
Camel, good.
cup,
Car, very good. The one was the
Camera.
last one. Camera, very good. Right? So these are the things we have learned in English, right? Now let's write the name in English in cursive letter. Okay, look at the picture here. Look at the board, not picture, right? The first one is, see how to write the C in cursive form T. Small one is this, right? This is the capital letter. This is the small letter, right? Suppose cat, C-A-T, cat. Cow, C-O-W, cow, right? C-O-W, cow, right? What next? Can you see the board here? Yes, okay, cat. Then what next? Cat, car, C-A-R, car, isn't it? Carrot. Let me write carrot. What, right? C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, right? How to write one by one separately? C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, right? What next? The next one is cabbage. How to write the word in cursive form? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Okay. What next? The next one is cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus, isn't it? Right? And what next? The next one is caterpillar. How to write the word caterpillar? C A-T-E-R. Okay, C-A-T-E-R. P-E-R. Cater. Okay. Now pillar. Cater plus pillar. Caterpillar. P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Right? Once again. C-A-T-E-R. Cater. P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Okay? Is it okay? Right. Then what next? The next one is crab. Right? How to write crab? C-R-A-B-E. Crab. C-R-A-B-E. Crab. Right? Then corn. Okay, corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Right? I'm writing once, you can see. C-O-R-N. Corn. Okay? And what next? The next one is cake. Right? C-A-K-E. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Okay? Then coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Once again. See how I'm writing. C-O-A-T. Coat. Okay? What next? The next one is cow. Right? C-O-W. 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 Cow. Right? Next one is camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Right? This is how we should write the cursive letter. Okay. What next? The next one is cup. Okay. C-U-P. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Right? Once again. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Right? The last one is camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Once again. C-A-M-E-R-A. Let's write the letter separately. Okay. C A M E R A. Camera, right? I hope you learn how to write the words in cursive letter, right? Now let's move to the activities or evaluation. Okay,